I just want to say that Solar Pool Supply has terrific customer service. I am so very impressed. I called and spoke several times with the representative, and he was so very patient and answered all my questions, put together the order for me. I was going out of town, so he held my shipment for a few weeks and released it exactly as he said he would. The boxes, I ordered three solar pool panels, and all the panels came in perfect condition in two boxes. One box was bigger than the other, which had two panels in it, and then the second box had one panel. But everything really worked very well. I was very impressed and very, very happy I went with this company. I haven't yet installed it. I'm waiting to do that in a couple of months. But all the pieces and parts are there, and so it should work fine.